Hello guys, this is Crypto Dutchie and welcome back to my second video in our journey of swing trading with technical analysis. So I got another chart, it's called Medallia, which was my second trade I went in. I think it was 2 or 3 days ago. And I saw this chart as well from a other YouTuber. And yeah, it looked really well, and he also said that it looked really well, and I was like, well, why not try this myself? So let's go over our list again and see why I entered the trade. And this is one of the trades I'm not super happy with because I entered a bit too late, but we will see about that very shortly. But this is a head and shoulders pattern. And you can see it clearly over here. This is a shoulder, this is the head, another shoulder. And when it broke the resistance line over here, you can make another line over here because traders did settle up over here. So there we go. I like to put my magnet and then over there. When it broke the resistance, right as it did right now, it broke out like crazy. So the technicals are getting respected very, very well over here. Now the only information we have next to this pattern over here is that there is a big resistance over here at 43.34, and I think this just went on the stock exchange because we don't have more information from 2019. So if it breaks this, we are getting an all-time high, and when a stock is getting into the price discovery range, it can go very high. So that's what we found. We found nice horizontal resistances and supports that were broken, tested, and respected with this head and shoulders pattern. Now, the next thing I was looking for was divergences on the weekly, and I don't find any divergences. It's just converging. Lower, higher lows on the MACD, higher lows on the RSI. It's following the price. But we did not find an edge on the weekly to enter this trade. But a head and shoulders on the weekly that's getting triggered is already a very good indication to just start the trade. And, well, the target for a head and shoulders pattern is when it breaks the demand line, the resistance line, you just double this 18.63 points up here. So one of our targets, that's my second target, which is 40%, where I will sell 50% of my trade, is actually here at 53.50. Now I always go a little bit more conservative, so I go a little bit under this complete pattern, just to make sure that I can get out of the trade. Now my first target is this highest line. I mean, in history, the price only went up and down like crazy when it was in between these two lines. Also over here, it tried and it failed. Can still happen here. It can try, it can also go back here. And maybe we get stopped out. That's possible. Now I also see that we also make higher lows all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's also very bullish. Also a reason to go with the trend on the weekly. On the weekly the trend is up. Now let's go to the daily. And on the daily, you can see these lines of course that I painted on the weekly. The last time we made a higher low, we get hidden bullish divergence. Our MACD indicator tells me that we had more negative momentum, but the price went higher. That means that the sellers did not do what they should do with this momentum. They should put the price lower than this bottom over here, but they did not do that. And we actually also have it over here. So, double extra indication that this head and shoulders pattern might gonna be broken on the weekly. Still, it needs to end on the weekly above this line here. It did not do that yet, so it's still a risky trade. It can do this wick, and then it goes back in 2 days to my stop loss. It's possible. But together with all the information I got here, I decided, yes, I want to go into this trade. And unfortunately, the price was already up here. I prefer to enter when I saw this wick here happening on the daily. Because this means that it was back tested and then went up again. And then the price closed here. So It's maybe a little bit higher than I would prefer to enter, but it's still, I think, a decent trade. Now, since I cannot get a 3-to-1 a target here, I'm not super happy with this trade. But the weekly head and shoulders pattern was just giving me a good confidence boost that I should do this trade based on the technicals. Let's hope we're going to reach the sell limit here at 43, so we can put our stop loss over here and have a profitable trade again. So yeah, that was Medallia Incorporate, I think, MDLA. And yeah, the technicals are looking good. Let's see if we can reach the head and shoulders target of $52 in the future. I want to thank you for watching my audit on Medallia. And in the next video we go over AMC Entertainment Holdings. Also a very interesting chart, but also a very risky chart. Don't forget to visit my Discord channel and subscribe and like the video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.